Good science doesn't happen on an empty stomach, and the crew at our Calvert Island Ecological Observatory eat some of the best grub around. But when your field station is a long boat ride from a grocery store, you need to think about more than just how to get there. You need to consider the whole food cycle. Small boats like this bring over perishables each week, like fruits, vegetables, eggs, and milk from Vancouver Island. Anything with a longer shelf life, including the mounds of coffee our team consumes, arrive in style on a massive barge that travels up the Central Coast. The rest comes from our own backyard. A good chunk of our vegetables, salad greens, herbs, and sprouts are grown on site thanks to our attentive gardeners Jen Alton and Courtney Johnson.
What my day looks like is I will get up and have my breakfast, and then I'll go have a meeting with the guys in the kitchen, and they'll put in an order with me, and I'll go out and harvest and bring it up to the kitchen so they're pretty much ready to use.
Lettuce, carrots, beans, peppers, tomatoes, cabbage, herbs, sprouts, and garlic. While not all veggies like the foggy wet weather here on the Central Coast, we make the most of the ones that do by creating the perfect growing environment with a greenhouse, sprout shed, and the perfect soil.
We compost up here at Calvert Island because there is no garbage pickup, so we have to be responsible for what kind of waste we're using in regards to food. Basically, the garden is a byproduct of the compost because what else are you going to do with all of this lovely soil?
If it seems like we're proud of our compost, it's because we are. We've got it down to a science.
So there needs to be that proper ratio of carbon, nitrogen, water, and air. And we have the water, and we flip the compost with the tractor so that aerates it, and we have all the nitrogen we want because we have kitchen scraps. So we were missing the carbon portion.
So what did Jen do? She started taking the cardboard boxes from the barge shipments, shredding them, and adding it to our compost piles to provide more carbon. The warm compost pile really makes the decomposers happy. And our compost has another secret ingredient.
People pay big bucks for kelp meal or liquid kelp, and we get it for free here. The scientists bring tons of seaweed back to measure and whatnot, so they just drop it off for us.
When you're this far from the checkout line, being self-sufficient goes a long way.